Hello and welcome everyone. There is a pretty checkmate here in 2 moves for white. If you can solve it, pause the video and try to find the only move to do a checkmate in only 2 moves for white here. Welcome back. If you try to take the bishop with check, you will just take with king, and right now you don't have another check with white and it is not a checkmate in 2 moves. If you try to move your king away, like for example trying to play pawn check, he will just take your bishop. You give him a free bishop, and if you play check, he will run away and it is not a checkmate in 2 moves. If you try, for example, to play the bishop away, like you want to play checkmate from here, because this bishop is blocking his king, but he can actually open for his king, like he can't play it here, or he can, because you can take with rook, but he still can move his king and there's no checkmate in 2 moves. What about if you played your bishop here and tried bishop checkmate from e1? Now he will just play his bishop again to c7, sacrificing his bishop and opening for his king. Or just to play b4, and there's no checkmate in 2 moves here for white. The only move to do a checkmate in only 2 moves here for white is sacrifice your rook from c7. Yeah, that's the only move to do a checkmate in only 2 moves here. But why this move? Right now black don't have any move. Let's say he played b4 and want to move his king here. How do you checkmate now? Rook c5 checkmate, because his bishop is pinned by your bishop. But what if he takes your rook? Checkmate with your bishop from c7. And what if he moved his bishop away? How do you checkmate now? Just, do you think this move? Can you find it? Rook c5, bishop checkmate. Why rook c5? Because it blocked his bishop from blocking into b6. And it is the only way to do a checkmate in 2 moves. If you enjoyed it, like the video and subscribe. And thank you for watching.